crazy times 20x. About to cry right now. 20x. Look at the wheel. Look at it all. Okay, blue, 700 yellow. Enemy!
Ooh. 10x multiplier is working. Come on, triple digit multi is in front of your eyes.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Players in Tom this round, Ace and friends behind some more for you. Midze, Kira, Nisiha, congratulations, and best of luck to you in the next round. Are you new here? Colors so beautiful. Oh, thank you, yeah. I have kind of white strips. And they also tone a little bit me. And now I'm some kissed lady. Yeah. Fits to my suntan. Yeah, thank you. And actually fits to my uniforms. You fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, look, we're gonna have once again a Wonderland's fan. You're already 3 times there. Love you, Bernard. No, that's me. Love you. Love is so easy. Wow, the much love here. Is it St. Valentine's Day today? Aww. With you guys, each day is St. Valentine's Day. Alright. So 64 segments, doubles, triples, three flappers, green, blue, yellow. Choose one that looks at you. Max multiplier 100. Boom, boom, boom. Good luck. Yes! Yellow TV catch double. Everybody, yeah. Double works right now on a whole wheel. Now max multiplier 200. Boom, good luck. Yes, you're growing. Double on a yellow flopper. I'm a fire shit. Max multiplier 400. Definitely good luck. Whoa. It's how many times? 3, 4 times in a row double. Spectacular. Come on. The whole wheel doubled. Wow, I become nervous, but this breeze. 800x now max multi. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued, 328,637 euros.
It's super close to double. Woo! 200x yellow, 25x blue, 35x green. And you get
493 winners here. Well done, betting time. Let's go again. All right, final seconds left. Yeah, what is the highest win of the day? 2,000x on crazy time. You what? Good luck. You what, mate? Nice. How was yesterday's evening? It was very nice. Chat it up. Oh, very nice. Crazy time. Ladies and gentlemen, look at us go. Come on, let's go. Hey friends, welcome to the crazy world. Let's go. Amazing. So, ready? Decision time. All yours, guys. Gotta choose a flapper. You can leave it to auto pick as you wish. Green, blue, yellow situation. Well, final countdown and let's go. So, highest multi, guys, 100x. Good ciao. Good luck to you. Enjoy. Opa! 20x yellow, 25x green, blue going for that double. Let's go, guys. More fun. Bigger multis. Let's spin again. 200x. Ciao, ciao. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 524,535 euros.
Wow, we won 200x for blue. Congratulations. Wow, well done, everybody. Old weather, beautiful. That win 14,000 euros. Let's go. Last seconds left to play.
Increase thanks to the Topslot multiplier. No more bits, thank you, which can range from 2x up to even 50x whenever it does appear. And ladies and gentlemen, good luck. Woo! That feels good. Ooh, 20x on one Topslot. If you bet on number one right now, you have opportunity to win 20 instead. That would be a big deal for team number one if they're able to get it. But we have something different planned. Ladies and gentlemen, first pachinko of this session. Follow me. Yoo-hoo! Beautiful pink board, everybody. Let's see what multipliers we could get here from 2 up to 200x. Maybe some doubles. Each time it is different, so let's check them out. Starting off with 3x. All right, then we have 7, 10, 15, 35, 100, 200, and a double. 3 reds, 100, 200, double. Highest is a 200, of course. And that is what I would love to give you guys. Oh boy. Sana all 200, Wish all 200, and let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 875,676 euros.
Oh, we did it, guys. We did it. Woo! 8,675 winners. Bow, bow is the sound of a 200x in your wallet. Betting time. That really hyped me up.
Better than you at Fortnite. 100% I don't play Fortnite, man. Alright, betting time, autoplay, check statistic, welcome newcomers. Are you ready? How is it going to be in reality? We're going to see, guys. Autopick going to happen if you're not going to pick anything. So you're going to give Verde. Yes, Verde. Good luck to you. Enjoy. A double blue? Let's go. Green 20, 25 yellow, and double for a blue. Very nice. Blue, double, dee, ba, do, dan. 200x chance. Let's see if we can make the chance in something more than that. Listen, and baby, so it's gonna be 400. Hello. Let's see. Good luck. You know what, guys? I like to do a triple double, baby. Woo! Ay, 800x is somewhere there, guys. Can we get 800? Is it much to ask for? Let's go. Good luck to you. You know what, guys? Double again, baby! 1,600x gonna be there this time. Alright. When are we gonna stop at this rate? I don't know, guys. I wish you all the best.
This is the amount of money issued 707,054 euros.
40x, baby! Let's go! Woohoo, baby! 240x. Ozzy, Ayman, Eduardo, Alberto, Aggie, and everybody else who got victory. Nice one. Anyways, let's continue, guys. Betting time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this is gonna be good. Woo, we have 100x multiplier, but now the magic. I love this sound here. We have 700 as well, 350, 140, 70, 105, 525. Guys, there's so many of the great multipliers. We started with some really good hit in this session with real blast for you. Okay, decision time. Please pick one of that symbol. Well, you can win that 700x multiplier, but there's other amazing multipliers to win in this round as well. So pick one of this symbol and wishing the best luck. And, well, you're already the winners here. Wow, guys. Congratulations. Incredible. All right.
This is the amount of money issued 798,161 euros.
Congratulations. 700x multiplier, 79 winners, 525, 628. Totally for this round, 11,385 winners. Window gone, Ali, player and player at the top 5 champions, guys. Congratulations. Well, that is one good start. Nice intro, right? One of the best intro I ever.
We know Lemet Ramya. You're the top winners here. Big thank you. Let's play another lovely round of crazy time, baby. Let's go. Last couple of seconds out here. Get ready. And everything time is close, and I wish you all the best of luck. And let's spin them up. Good luck to you. Getting a pachinko with a 7x. Imagine if we could get it done right here, right now in the spin. That would be crazy. Come on, can we get the pachinko, please? Woohoo! Let's go, pachinko with a 7x. Let's go. This could get... Let's go. 7,871 winners here. Evel, Idol, Jaden, O'Gill with the top winnings here. Evel getting 36,000 euros. Big monies. Let's go. I'm getting goosebumps right now. Let's keep on playing, baby. Come on. That was nice. That was real nice out there. Let's see what we're getting this time. Good luck to you. Barbecue bacon burger, baby. Let's go. Coin flip with a 7x. Come on. Do we have enough speed for the coin flip?
X, 20x, 25, 50, get rid of the double. Woo! 10x multipliers working. Come on, triple digit multis in front of your eyes. 250, 100, 150, 500. Awesome. And double. Let's catch double. The whole world gonna double again. And let's do it again, and again, infinity times. So, triple digit multis. Awesome. Awesome round. For sure, you already in a history. You made it. Come on, Foggy. And
This is the amount of money issued to 1,071,639 euros.
happy summertime! 7,706 ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, winners. Congratulations. Please make Codeman, play K. You're the top 3. Congratulations, everybody. Bam. Let's spin some more. There we go. And by the way, we have a new chat moderator. Chi, welcome. Nice to see you. 7x crazy time. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go crazy and we're gonna go real. All right, that's going to be 105 for the yellow, 350 for the blue and team green. The party don't stop because we double the fun. The max multi right now for those who pick the green, 1,400. Unless we get another double. Let's see.
This is the amount of money issued 1,438,857 euros.
700x for the green, 350 blue, and 105 for the yellow. Well, hello there. It was one fun, crazy time bonus round, wasn't it? 6,500 winners, please 74 U100. and 60,000. You're the top winner for sure. Congratulations, everybody. Enjoy those incredible wins and enjoy that fine money.
I hope that you did not broke any windows while I was gone. You know, I was gone for like a week. That's a lot of days. 7 to be exact. Oh, crazy times 20x. Come on. Come on. Slow down so we can hit it. Stop! Stop! Oh my! We got it! Do you see what I see? I am sweating. 20x. This day is getting better and better. We got 20 times multiplier in a crazy time. Oh my! What is the multiplier? I want to see it. I'm about to cry right now. 20x. Look at it, Will. Look at all of those multipliers. Okay, decision time starts. Ladies and gentlemen, choose the flopper. Think of the one which is going to bring you the best result. Even though actually, whatever we're getting now, it's going to be great because we got 20 times multiplier on top of it. 200x is the highest one in the line. And if we hit double, I cannot imagine what happens if we hit double. I mean, it's going to be 4,000x is the highest one, but you got the idea. 400 blue, 700 yellow, and double green flopper. Are you as excited as I am? Double green flopper, let's go. Now, 4,000x in a line. Oh, come on. If we bring 4,000, I do the chicken dance. I promise you. We were talking about it. Are you kidding me? Oh my, that's another double. 8K multiplier. I cannot even say that because I'm way too shocked. Please. Can we get them?
This is the amount of money issued for 1,212,751 euros.
2,000 and boom! $9,000 winners. These muscles were pushed.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.